Junior yogera ku Doniasi abo sibamanyi. I don't know them. Doniasi yakola biki? Yani to take my saliva. Ebintu bya TikTok mbireke ku TikTok. How can you find the money like me take talking about Doniasi? Well, in Nabagamba bana Uganda there are things which we give time negative in amakuru. Abanaku bewadde importance mu ggwanga lino. The problem abanaku mwewadde nnyo eddembe. How can I waste my data talking about Doniasi? Yakolera che ggwanga. Okay, how does she is she a senior lawyer? Is she a doctor that she treats people in COVID? What does Doniasi do to deserve talkability? Nothing. We meet next time. Mweraba. Mubyenjogedde jamu ebyamakulu. Ebitali byamakulu bireke. In whatever I've said, remove what is important. Buli kyenjogera sicha public consumption. Some things are for me. Nemba mbyogedde. So sit down in this video. Remove what you want. Leave the rest. Totandika kumanyira. Mbu Junior wayogedde biki. Abete babimboza. Nze byange mbyogedde. So we meet next time. Nenga nkujukizako company jabaita building na operator. Bakwa building materials and you operator. Okay? They give you building materials. No basasula. Of your choice. So you call them. Nzize ngamba we nambe yo. Ne Mama Hope. Mama Hope alia urugazi. Luzira. Gaba. Opposite police bamita Mama Hope. Ayunga. Oino mane ya gongo bala. Gatanaweza miaka 13. Wamenyeka. Bagay ba ino cooperation. Visiting a Mama Hope. Pilot, youngest pilot mu Uganda, bambi omwana we wa myaka 9 amanyi okubuusa ennyonyi bamwita Captain Shama agenda kutegeka okigera agenda kulonkinga bambi akataboke kitegeera Serena wagenda bambi okalonkingira 27 August wagenda okalonkingira bambi ngayogera kataboke akobulamu to inspire young people. Omwana ono Elon Musk yamuwa scholarship. So Ugandans bambi tugendeyo tumusupporting aine emyaka 9 na yazi situla Captain Shama munonyeka ku Facebook oba gogolinga ojalabanga ne international media za muandika kodda. So let us learn to appreciate our own people. Kitegera bwaba nga wali omwana asobola obuuse nnyonyi ku myaka 9 nga muna Uganda really tuba tulina omusupportinga era nkubira omulanga government ogutakungula omwana ono mumuwagire. Okay, I've seen the Uganda Air coming on board. The boy has met so many people in Uganda Air, the aviation industry, which is good. We support our own people. Nebo tunayimbirire nnyo abazungu ne Nigeria sibaba tusinga. At the end of the day it won't help. So I sign out. Have a very nice evening. Amanya nsigadde tamale mirundi Junior akwagala byonjagaliza. Akwagaliza byonjagaliza.